Boarding a cruise isn't like catching a plane. It's not just about showing up, checking in, and finding your seat. It's the start of an entire floating vacation. After more than 20 cruises, I've seen just how many small mistakes first-timers make on embarkation day. So today, I'm counting down the 10 most important embarkation secrets that seasoned cruisers swear by. Things most people only learn after years of sailing. Number 10. Don't show up too early or too late. I know, when you're excited, you want to board as soon as possible, but showing up early doesn't get you on faster. In fact, it usually backfires. Cruise terminals work in time slots. If you arrive before yours, you'll end up standing outside the building, sweating in the sun, surrounded by hundreds of other eager travelers, all waiting for the doors to open. And if you think, I'll come late and skip the lines, that's even riskier. Most cruise lines close check-in about an hour before sail away, and they do not wait. I've seen people miss entire vacations because a taxi got stuck in traffic for 20 minutes. The secret? Arrive exactly within your assigned boarding window. Not before, not after. You'll walk straight through security, check in smoothly, and start your vacation calm instead of frazzled. And here's a pro tip. If you're flying in, arrive in your port city a full day early. That one night in a hotel could save you from the heartbreak of watching your ship sail away without you. Number 9. Know the real rules about drinks and luggage. This one confuses almost everyone. Each cruise line has its own version, but here's the truth. You can't just bring whatever you want. Most lines allow one 750 milliliter bottle of wine or champagne per adult, sealed and in your carry-on. Some even let you bring a few cans of soda or water, but large plastic bottles, forbidden. If you try to sneak in liquor, it'll be caught at screening and locked away until the end of your cruise. Not fun. And for luggage, make sure your printed cruise tags are taped on tight. Thousands of bags get loaded in a rush. Always put a spare copy inside your suitcase with your name, phone, and cabin number, in case your tag rips off. Many experienced cruisers also use AirTags or Bluetooth trackers inside their luggage. Watching your suitcase move through the terminal and finally ping your cabin feels oddly satisfying. Little details like that keep embarkation day worry-free, and that's worth every second of prep. Number 8. Pack the perfect carry-on. This is your survival kit for the first few hours on board. Your checked bags might not reach your room until dinner, sometimes even later. So keep a small carry-on packed with everything you'll need before your luggage arrives. Your travel documents, passport, medication, phone charger, sunscreen, and maybe a swimsuit or change of clothes. If you're bringing wine or soda within your cruise line's limit, carry those too. Security might delay checked bottles. And one more insider trick, keep a light sweater or small fan handy. Cruise terminals and ship lobbies can go from freezing cold to stuffy in minutes. Being comfortable while everyone else is sweating or shivering is an underrated luxury. With a well-packed carry-on, you'll step on board relaxed, not scrambling. You can grab lunch, explore, or hit the pool immediately, while everyone else waits for their bags. Number 7. Do the safety drill immediately. It's not optional, it's the law. Before any ship can leave port, every passenger must complete a safety drill, called a muster. Years ago, you had to stand outside under the sun for 30 minutes while crew shouted instructions. Thankfully, those days are mostly gone. Now, you just watch a short video on your phone or cabin TV, then check in at your assigned muster station for a quick confirmation. Do it the moment you board. It takes 5 minutes, and once you're done, you're free to enjoy your day while everyone else is still getting those loud reminder announcements echoing through the ship. And number 6, meet your cabin steward early. This might be my favorite tip of all. Your cabin steward is the person who'll quietly make your cruise enviable. The one cleaning your room twice a day, bringing you extra towels, and sometimes leaving those adorable towel animals on your bed. As soon as you board, find them, smile, introduce yourself, and tell them your preferences early. Maybe you like extra pillows, ice in the evenings, or morning cleaning instead of nighttime. That little human connection goes a long way. And when you show kindness, a thank you note or a small tip on day one, you'll be amazed at how far that good energy travels. Crew members remember you. They look out for you. They make things happen behind the scenes. Meet your steward early, and you'll have the smoothest, happiest week at sea. Number 5, eat before exploring. Here's a psychological trick that makes embarkation day feel peaceful instead of frantic. The moment you step on board, excitement hits like a wave. Everyone rushes to explore the decks, find their room, take pictures, and hit the buffet all at once. But those first 2 hours, the buffet is chaos. Long lines, loud crowds, and no seats. Instead, check if the main dining room or poolside grill is open. It often is. It's quieter, calmer, and you'll actually be able to sit down, enjoy your first meal, and let the crowds thin out before exploring. You didn't come here to start your vacation with stress. Start it with a slow meal, a deep breath, and a view of the sea. Number 4, set your phone to airplane mode before sail away. This one's not glamorous, but it's a wallet saver. As soon as your ship leaves port, your phone starts hunting for a signal. When it connects to maritime towers, the rates skyrocket. And I'm not kidding. I've seen people rack up hundreds of dollars in roaming fees just for background updates or automatic app syncs. Before the ship even moves, put your phone in airplane mode, then turn on Wi-Fi and connect to the ship's network if you need to stay online. It takes 10 seconds and can save you a nightmare bill later. And while you're at it, turn off background app refresh and automatic downloads. You'll save data, battery, and peace of mind. Number 3, do a quick cabin check. Once you find your room, don't just drop your bags and run. Take 2 minutes to check the essentials. Make sure the air conditioning works, adjust the thermostat early, it can take hours to stabilize. Check the outlets, lights, TV, and safe. If something's off, call guest services immediately. They're busiest on day 1, so the sooner you report it, the faster it gets fixed. And if you want an extra layer of comfort, do what many experienced travelers do: a quick privacy sweep. Look around vents, mirrors, and TVs for any odd devices or tiny lights. It's rare, but it gives you peace of mind. Once everything is working, unpack slowly, put on some music, and let that "I'm really here" moment sink in. Number 2, read the fine print. Seriously, I know it sounds boring, but when you booked your cruise and clicked "I agree," you signed a legal contract that gives the cruise line a lot of power. They can change your itinerary, delay departure, cancel ports, and you can't demand a refund for most of it. If you miss check-in by 10 minutes, they can legally deny boarding. And most cruise contracts say disputes have to go through arbitration, not regular court.
So before you sail, take 5 minutes to skim the agreement. Know what's covered, what's not, and what your travel insurance includes. It's not about fear, it's about being informed. Because once you're at sea, the ship's rules are the law. And finally, number 1, pack your mindset before your suitcase. This one might sound cheesy, but it's the most important secret of all. Every cruiser eventually learns that the perfect vacation isn't about getting the best cabin or the fanciest drink package or the earliest boarding time. It's about letting go of control once you step on board. There will be lines, there will be delays, something small will go wrong, and that's okay. If you can laugh it off, roll with the waves, and remember why you're here, to rest, to explore, to reset, every cruise becomes unforgettable. Inside cabins, balcony suites, ocean views, they all fade in memory. What stays is how you felt. And there you have it, 10 embarkation secrets that can transform your first day from stressful to seamless. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more insider cruise tips, and tell me in the comments which secret surprised you the most. Until next time, smooth seas, easy boarding, and happy cruising.